did it again.
Rearview mirror. Lady driver. Pink stripes.
Didn't want to make a big deal. A little bit later on in the show. And you know what? You know what?
5 liter boys. No holding back. Don't know about all keeping to the speed limit, boy. Look at it. They just going, they flying, puppy. Joburg is rough. Look at it. The city never sleeps. Look at that. We're doing 120. Guys, we're doing 120.
Yeah, that line, how full it is.
Look at it. Look at that line of rebelliousness. Look at that rebellious line over there. Law abiding citizens, my back bumper, man. Hey? It's raw. And when you look across the highway, these ones are also flying on that side. They're flying. How are you gonna still get a chance to look at that KFC billboard when you must fly here at 160?
That Volvo always pushing it, man. That X5.
Yes! See?
Look how they're sitting on each other there.
Yo, bruh, look at it. Hey, Joburg is rough, look at it. And he can't go anywhere because he's got a Nissan NP in front of him.
Yeah, you understand?
Yeah.
It's so, like, I need to move, I need to move. I need to move, I need to move. Like, just chill.
Bro, look at this, man. Look, they're sick and tired of that guy holding them up. They're like, let's try another lane. Yes. And these are people in, this is moms in SUVs here. Where are you guys going? Are you late for your manicure? Yo, look at this, tires here, retreads. That's what happens when you put retreads on your car, guys. Don't do it, don't do it. Yeah, Joburg is just constantly on the move. Nobody got time, nobody got time. Look at that guy. We're doing 120. We're doing 120. Nobody got time. You have to keep switching lanes like you're in a Fast and Furious action clip.
How busy it is here. So
Look at
get
it.
off fire. When I need to go in there to get off.
Look at it. Yeah, once I saw like a 5-car pile-up happen just in front of the next bridge that's coming up when I was on my way to school. Land Rover, Volvo. Oh, 740 pizza. Nobody go, go, go. That's why I love Joburg, guys.
See the houses, man. See the house.
This garage has nice cars, bro. There's always nice cars in that garage. This is the right place to do car spotting.
This is the hub. And other spots.
spotted that Hummer next to a GS. Nice old school Jag over there. XJ. Oh.
SVR. Yes, let's look at this Porsche.
Ooh.
Next to A6 going. This car, Defender, yeah.
Defender, bro.
Yeah, look at this Jeep this side.
Just go slowly here past the Defender. Look how nice this Defender looks, guys. Just hang on.
There's the new Caravel, bro.
There's another Porsche coming up there. Wow, it's gorgeous. Matte black, satin black, whatever. It's like, I don't know, you know.
Here's the new Caravel.
Two-tone.
Yeah.
Two-tone Caravel. Porsche. Yo, check the Jag
Check the
coming up.
Cayennes next to each other.
Yeah. F-Type. Carrera 4S. This is just another day in Bedfordview. Look at this 750. Oof.
Look at this X4. This is X4M or what?
Yeah.
That Porsche is going
Just go right, drive around, bro. Yo, this is X4M just like that.
just chilling.
Beautiful. X4 competition, dog. Nice. We made a good choice coming here, bro. Like, honestly.
Just to get chops, look at that Audi in the parking lot, that side and the BM's there.
We're gonna go there, bro. We're gonna go there. Okay, go very slow here, bro. Oh, Cayenne GTS, guys.
In the parking lot.
Yeah. Here's the X5 M. Is it? No, it's not an M. It's just got nice wheels on.
Beautiful, man.
And they're watching us and they're like, they could have asked, send them.
Next to a G7.
Dude, we invite them.
Here's another Porsche, bro.
Like the wheel. Looks, reminds me of Tyrell's wheel he had on the RS. Okay, let's check the SVR quickly. Oh. The sound of this thing though, bruh. Have you heard one of these, bruh? Have you heard how those things sound?
I heard it all the time, bro. We are in Bedfordview on the regular.
Ooh. It's nice. Super nice. I love car spotting in Bedfordview, guys. Look at this. Nice. GLC 43. Nice. What? I almost missed this F-Type over here, bro.
Bro, it's sick.
Yo, it's beautiful.
Looks like it's out of that GTA game.
Sir. Yo, from Faro, ne? I see what you mean.
in Santon.
So it's got that. Oh yeah, I see that. I know that. Yeah, it's got the kit, the Faro kit or whatever you call it. That is so sweet.
You must have fun.
Yeah.
And it's the competition pack.
And it's the competition pack. It's just too sweet.
Just too sweet, bro.
Red calipers. My man, nice car. Place to bring your lady. I'm gonna bring my woman here soon. Tiger's Milk, Bedfordview. Kitchen and bar. Sweetheart, if you're watching this, I'm bringing you here tomorrow night or whenever, Sunday night maybe. Maybe not. Trying to find a Ford Focus RS. We're stalking people, guys. There's a Jeep SRT.
See, that's it.
X5M, just chilling. There's a nice 5 Series over there.
I'm gonna think you want to do something.
I almost got a job here. Well, I applied for one and they didn't get back to me. Like, I can fix cars, I promise. I can. Woo! VTech is flying. S400 hybrid.
No, I should have turned down here. It was down there, man.
Body gym up somewhere up there. The gym is in there. Apparently the owner drives a Lambo.
Black one.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, Bedfordview contains.
This is where you will see some nice cars. Reminiscent. Look at that. Just look at them parked over there. Woo! R8, McLaren. What's that? A 570? Ferrari 488. Right, is that a Ferrari 488?
Looks like
a Pista. And then the Lamborghini Urus.
18 in the corner GTI. You see it?
Yeah, the white one. And the new Haval dealership over there. Right across from Reminiscent. Welcome to the valley, the Satan Oak Valley. That's the actual place we found the oil filter for my Lumina. Right across the road from Carl Heinz's house. Spotted guys. M340i and a Lamborghini. Baby! Blacked out, both of them. Guys. Presidential. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as usual I will catch you on the flip side. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you have not done so already. I'll see you in the next one.